Are you aware that by installing a solar system, you can increase your home value? A home is an investment, and installing solar panels means increasing the return on your investment. Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how solar panels lead to an increased return on your investment. Whether you are thinking about selling your home now or in the future, have you thought about installing solar panels to increase your home value? Installing solar panels not only is great for the environment, but it's also great for increasing your future nest egg. Potential home buyers are always looking for great assets that a home has. Solar panels are great assets. When potential home buyers see a home for sale that has a solar system installed, they are thinking about all the cost savings incentives like reduction in electricity bills that a solar system has to offer. This leads to a home being more marketable and easier to sell. I will now show you how you can increase your home value with a solar installed system. The initial cost of installing a solar system can be daunting. However, when you think about the return on investment, such as an increase in your home value, installing a solar system actually makes a lot of sense. Research by costofsolar.com, for every dollar you save in energy costs from a solar installed system, this leads to $20 on average being added to the value of your home. For example, a 3.1 kilowatt system in California in a medium-sized home can add about $17,000 to the total selling price of the home. Homes with solar installed systems actually sell twice as fast. So, not only are you doing something great for the environment by having a system that produces clean, green energy, but you're adding value to your home by making it more marketable and easier to sell versus homes without solar systems installed. Just by installing a solar system, you can increase your home value and make your home more marketable. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.